Thinking about switching to solar for your home? Before buying panels, you need to know exactly how much power your house really uses. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple beginner-friendly method to calculate your solar energy needs, even if you don't have a science background. Doing a proper solar calculation helps you avoid overspending, undersizing your system, or running out of power at night. Once you understand the basics, planning your home setup becomes easy and stress-free. Step 1. Check your electricity bill. Start by checking your electricity bill. Look for the number called energy consumption, usually written in kilowatt-hours or kilowatt-hour. If your bill shows 150 kilowatt-hours for the month, simply divide it by 30 days to estimate your daily usage. Step 1 alternative: use your appliances. If you don't have the bill, no problem. You can calculate your usage using your appliances. Every appliance has a watt rating. Multiply that watt rating by the number of hours you use it daily. Do this for all your essential devices and add the numbers together. Step 2. Total your daily consumption. Now add everything up. For example, lights, 40 watt-hours, TV, 400 watt-hours, fan, 300 watt-hours, fridge, 1,440 watt-hours. When you total it, your home might use around 2,180 watt-hours per day, or 2.18 kilowatt-hours. Step 3. Add a safety margin. To avoid power shortages, always add a safety margin of 20 to 30%. If your total daily need is 5 kilowatt-hours, adding 25% gives you 6.25 kilowatt-hours. This helps your system stay reliable during cloudy days. Step 4. Understand peak sun hours. Next, know your peak sun hours. This is the amount of strong sunlight your location gets per day. Many areas have around 5 peak sun hours. This number is important because it determines how much energy your panels can actually produce. Step 5. Calculate your solar panel size. Now divide your adjusted daily energy need by your peak sun hours. For example, 6.25 kilowatt-hours divided by 5 sun hours equals 1.25 kilowatts. This means you need a 1.25 kilowatt solar array. Step 6. How many solar panels do you need? To convert that into the number of panels required, divide your system size by the watt rating of one panel. If one panel is 400 watts, then 1.25 kilowatts divided by 0.4 kilowatts gives about 3.1 panels. Round up to 4 panels. Step 7. Battery sizing. To size your battery, divide your daily usage in watt-hours by your system voltage. For example, 6,250 watt-hours divided by 24 volts equals 260 amp-hours. If you prefer a 12-volt setup, divide by 12 volts instead. Choose batteries that match or exceed this capacity. Step 8. Inverter sizing. For your inverter, add up the running wattage of all appliances you want to power at the same time. Then choose an inverter that can handle both the running load and the surge load of appliances like refrigerators or pumps. Let's recap this video with this scenario. For a home that needs about 6.25 kilowatt-hours daily, you'll need for 400-watt solar panels, a battery bank around 260 amp-hours at 24 volts, and an inverter strong enough to handle your combined appliance load. With the right calculation, your solar system will reliably power your lights, fan, TV, fridge, and small devices without stress. Everything works smoothly because your setup is correctly sized from the beginning. If you found this helpful, subscribe and follow for more simple solar lessons. I make solar easy for beginners with step-by-step guides. See you in the next video.